Hello, welcome to this video of the VW Golf. This is the GTD, the 181 brake horsepower DSG automatic in this lovely grey colour. This is a 67 reg, so it's I think it's September 2017. It's covered 52,000 miles. So we're going to start off on the condition of this vehicle. Start on this door. So all been machine buffed as well, this car, or polished. So there's no tar spots, no scratches anywhere. That's the arch there. And we're inside as well today on this one because it's very cold and frosty outside. So you can see everything with the these LED lights up here. You can see every scratch, if there is any, or every swirl mark. So there's nothing to hide when you're inside. Alloy wheel, very clean. All the tyres are very good as well. The brake disc in good condition. Not being advised on the service at all. And look inside the fuel cap. It's also got these polycarbonate wind deflectors on as well, called Edge, that's the brand. Let's go right close up. I don't think any car dealer would do this. Show you that close up to a door handle to prove how clean it is. That's a wing mirror. Just going to get a LED torch. It's a bit dark here. Right, okay. So, make sure you can see how clean it is. There's a few little lacquer stone chips, very, very minute on the edge of the bonnet, you can see. Windscreen's very clean as well. There's no chips or cracks anywhere on the windscreen. It's very clean. Okay, so that's the outside of the vehicle covered. Let's take a look in the boot. Right, get my torch out again. Okay, it's all very clean. It's got the variable boot floor as well. As you can see, you can lift the boot up to the second level there if you want to. Just gonna right, so in here we've got the slimline spare wheel. You've got the locking wheel bolt kit there as well. Then you've got the locking. Oh, you've got the locking wheel bolt there. Sorry, that's just the. I think they've got some spare bolts in there. The jack and braces under there as well. All this is nice and tidy. There's a 12 volt up there as well. 12 volt there. The rear shelf in place with the strings attached. And then up here, that's all nice and clean. Rear door. Okay. The rear door. All tidy. Back to the seats, all clean. The door shut's all clean as well. Isofix anchoring points as well. I'll move that up. Move the armrest up so you can see that it's clean. Right, driver's door. Move this paper. Open this door as well, so you can see all these areas here are clean. That's the chassis number, so if you want to pause the video and check for the chassis numbers against your HPI check as well. Driver's seat. Some bolster there. It's also got the storage underneath the driver's seat there. So if we just pull that, you can see storage pack. And there's another one there, there's another cubbyhole there, which you can storage. Auto lights, 2 remote central locking keys as well. Alright, let's get inside. Get inside. Steering wheel, very clean. No wear and tear, no faded leather, no scratches. All immaculate. Same with the screen there. Down here. Oh, someone's parking ticket. Down here, drinks holder, electronic handbrake, and the auto hold assist there as well. 12 volt. Armrest is just empty. There's nothing in there because the USB is under here. Yeah, there we go. That's the USB in the coin tray there. Right, okay, so I'm going to start the engine now. So, foot on the brake, turn the key. Saying the doors open, let me shut the doors. Close the doors. The engine started. You can see this has got the reverse parking sensors. Yes, reverse parking sensors. There's no camera on this one, but you have got heated seats for the front, dual zone climate control, heated seats, and you've also got sat nav. Oh, sat nav ready. This one needs a card for this one, and then you've got this one so you can connect your phone. So really you want to use the sat nav off your phone, ideally, because the sat nav on your phone has got the live traffic data as well. So connect USB. It's a wire only to there to activate the Apple CarPlay, etc. You've got to have the wire. Okay, so and then you've got the phone, of course, Bluetooth, etc. All these buttons on the steering wheel, the voice command, the paddle shifters there, cruise control as well. That's adaptive cruise as well on this one, so it's adaptive cruise on these GTDs. What else have we got? Oh, the service history as well. So the service history. So we've serviced it at 52,431 miles. This is the VW, so it's the VW recommended checklist as well. Let me just get out of the vehicle because it's too dark. Just open the door. So there we go. That's the maintenance list there. Everything was checked. All the lights were checked. So we actually employ a Volkswagen Master Tech from one of the VW dealerships close to us. He comes and does all our work. Obviously, so does everything like the dealers should. And we've updated this to the database as well. So this service is actually on the Volkswagen database. So this is the services from before. Now this printout is tiny, unfortunately. So we've put here, this is a flexible. So it is a 2-year servicing flexible one. That's a 2-year service or 20,000 miles. You can see the services there. 2019, 19,000 miles, 34, 43, 43. And we've done a major service with a timing belt kit at Christmas on December, 52,400 miles. So that's all there. Automatic lights, you can hear the engine running. There's no smoke or anything like that. I mean, I can rev it for you. So quite good, that. I'll pop the bonnet, but obviously when I pop the bonnet, I switch the engine off because this microphone on the phone is very, very sensitive. So that's the engine bay. Let me get the torch to show you the engine bay. Torch. So it's very clean. Bosch battery as well. Like I say, just been serviced. Even the screen wash is up to the limit. New antifreeze as well. So that's bright red. New antifreeze in the system. And obviously this vehicle's HPI clear as well, so it's not been involved in an accident or insurance claim. Also comes with 1 year warranty as well, so a 1 year warranty policy with these chaps here, Momentum. Even got a app, so all the things that are covered include engine, cooling system, gearbox, clutch, starter motor, torque converter, catalytic converter, everything is covered. Obviously the same terms and conditions apply. It has got to be sudden mechanical failure, not wear and tear. Also includes breakdown and recovery as well. So we've been with that company a few years now, and they are the best we've had. So good company, Momentum. If you've got any questions, please let us know. If you've got a part exchange, please get in touch with the reg number and mileage of your vehicle, and we will give you a part exchange quotation based on the live Auto Trader guide price. Okay, finance as well. We can finance vehicles now up to 7 years. So if you feel you need a lower monthly payment, we can finance your vehicles up to 7 years. We are FCA registered as well, licensed credit brokers. So 7 years to get the monthly payment right down for you. Okay, and home delivery as well. We can deliver this vehicle anywhere in the UK, in Europe. In fact, we have delivered vehicles down to France and Spain before. Ireland, Northern Ireland seems to be a very, very low popular destination. For example, Northern Ireland, we can get cars, so small cars delivered for $395, and then larger vehicles at $495 delivered to the Northern Ireland. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon.